Today we're looking at the EOS tow hook bracket. It's only for the Model S, but we'll see if we can make it work, as another Model X owner is actually the one who recommended it to us. First thing you gotta do is remove your tow hook cover. You wanna use a non-marking tool. Just get up in there and pop that bad boy out. So we've got our left-handed thread bolts. So you got to turn it left to get it to tighten, not right. There's our straps to pop the frunk. Looks like it's right through that hole. This is actually a 16 millimeter, but I'm using a 17 millimeter socket, just to get a nice hand tight on it. Because until we know it doesn't interfere with the radar, I don't want to end up not being able to get this thing taken off again. All right, so next thing we need is this assembly. Taking the longer bolts and this plastic washer, rubber washer. That part is a regular thread, so you can righty-tighty. I'm just gonna get it snug so that we can position the bracket where we like it. Now I'm hoping the reason they don't list Model X is because they haven't tried it themselves, not because it doesn't work. I think the radar is here, but it could be over there. But we also have to avoid these ultrasonic sensors. Maybe here. Let's get our plate and try it out. It's stamped. Might as well just put it right out. A little close, don't you think? It's our fellow Tesla owner up in here. All right, so I'm gonna try lower then. Hopefully I don't scrape it on a low entrance. Lower and way the heck over here. That might be in the way of here. We're gonna have some trial and error with this, that's for sure. All right, so unlike the Model 3 guy, we're actually gonna change this up a little bit. That's not the right screw for this one. That or I'm cross-thread them both. Oh, that's right. Weird. That doesn't feel straight. much better over there. All right, I don't know why that was tapped so poorly. It's loose. Because the way I need to tighten that is the way that this one loosens. But since it is 17 and I've got a 17, not the best tool. It's a torque wrench. Just need a regular straight wrench. I don't know that they're built for left-handed threads. And then we'll take these screws and mount our plate. And hope that we did it right the first time. We chose these upper left. Hopefully that's enough that the Model X doesn't see it. So weird they use 3 different Allen wrenches. Okay, so if the car doesn't see this, then we'll come back, remove the plate, and retighten the bracket. All right, so we're going to start the car, and then we're going to shift into drive. Nothing on the parking sensors, so let's switch to the camera view. Nothing up there. So at this point, we're going to go back out, take the plate back off, and then retighten that center nut until it's good to go. And then we're going to take it for a spin. Actually, I think before we take it for a spin, we should probably smart summon it across the way and see if it freaks out. I wish this would fit without taking the plate off. Is it the small one? What? We've taken it off because now that we know that it fits without the car seeing it, we can tighten it. We didn't tighten it all the way the first time because we weren't sure if it was the right place. One warning in the manual pamphlet for this thing is that you can't use any more automated car washes. But with the wrap, we already couldn't use the brushed car washes anyway, so no changes. I don't know why this one is so poorly tapped. If I had a screw tapper, I would fix it myself. I don't like that at all. Pulling up a bubble level. Well, it definitely looks better than the dirtiness that is my car. Sticks out a little further than I would like. I guess I could bend it or angle it back. All right, so let's do a smart summon. See how it behaves before we get out on the open road. It appears to be unaffected. It's good. It's high. Don't go around me. You're coming to me. That was the EOS tow hook bracket license plate mount for the Tesla Model S installed on a Tesla Model X. I would give it a 8 out of 10. I have to take points off for the on the mount where I attached the bracket itself to, where it had the misthread. Other than that, it worked great. The car didn't see it with the parking sensors or the radar, and autopilot worked fine, smart summon worked fine, and would I buy it again? Absolutely. And there is another product that's maybe on the market. I'm gonna give that a try as well. Can I get that back to the center? I do like the way it looks, but it hangs off to the side a little bit more than I would like, and I could angle it, but I want to see what that other product does before I pick one. But you can find out where to grab that down in the link in the description below. And if you like videos like this with tips and tricks for owning an EV and Tesla, supercharger reviews, software update reviews, why don't you give this channel a subscribe right here in this subscribe bubble. And then over here are 2 videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. And we'll catch you on the flip side.